Hi friends, welcome to this session. So in this session, let us understand that how to open MS Excel. Very simple, just simply click on the start button. Simply click on start button and search for MS Excel. So when you search for MS Excel, system shows the best matching application with the text. Here the system is showing Excel, right? So simply double click on the Excel application. By double click on the Excel application, we can open MS Excel. So here I'll show the second method that how we can open. So I'm going to minimize the screen. The second method, directly press Windows plus R from the keyboard and again give the command EXCEL and click on OK. And this is the second method that how we can open MS Excel. On the first home page, you can access the blank work page or the pre-designed templates. In this newer version, you also can access the templates from the online. In order to access the templates from the online, simply click on More Templates. And again here, simply search for your desired template. Now here I would like to create a budget. So simply I'm searching for budget. So when you click the budget, system is going to display the all online web templates. So you can access any of the template and simply click on create in order to edit that template. So instead of opening a blank page and creating all these things, instead of wasting your time, you can access the pre-designed templates from the web as well. So next we'll just discuss about the Excel overlook functions. So once again I'm going to give a Excel command in order to open the Excel. So here I'm opening the blank workbook. So here I just logged into Excel, the sheet number 1. So this is the preview of the Excel. You can see the first top header is known as the menu bar, and we also can call the same as a ribbon bar. The home menu, insert menu, page layout menu, right? So this is called as actually menu bar, and when you click on home menu, system shows the home menu tools. When you click on insert menu, system shows the insert menu tools. So this is the toolbar. The top one is the menu bar and the down one is toolbar. And here we are discussing about the name box. Name box shows the active cell address, is also known as address bar, and this is the formula bar where we can find out the formula of the respective function, and this is the save function, and this is easy access quick toolbar, and this is the minimize and maximize and closure functions. Yes, as we already discussed, Excel is a combination of rows and columns, right? And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, these are all columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all rows. And the combination of column and row is known as cell. Is it clear? Right. But now here I have a doubt. Likely A, B, C, D, E, what is the total number of columns are available in a single sheet? To know that, simply press Control plus Shift plus right arrow, and what is that? A to X F D. In a single Excel worksheet, we have total around 16,384, and again we have the rows 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that we have total 10,48,576. The shortcut key Control plus Shift plus down arrow, A to XFD, 16,384 columns, and again 1 to 10,48,576 rows in a single sheet. And also we can open unlimited sheets in a single workbook. In a single sheet, we have 1 to 16,000 change columns and 1 to 10 lakhs change rows. And also we can open unlimited multiple sheets by clicking on plus sign from the workbook. The size of the sheets are dependent on the hard disk capacity. You can open as much as you want. You can open unlimited number of sheets, only the limit is your hard disk. So in the next video we'll discuss more functions, right? Thank you.